Howdy, folks. I know it's not the best fucking accent. Ooh, raccoon. Hello, raccoon.
Better off riding with me, mister.
Dead raccoon. Wait. Wait, dude. Oh wait, somebody's killing a whore. Not in that. What? Fuck you, whore. Where's my horse? I want to skin that faggot. What we're doing today is remember my family trophy. Basically, once you've done the game and everything, you'll go into Blackwater and you'll find a secret agent dude, and you just say to him, "What's up, man? You remember my dad? You killed him, son of a bitch." Basically, he's gonna tell you that Agent Ross has gone somewhere, and here it is. Remember my family. You killed my dad, I'm gonna fucking kill you, motherfucker. So, camp, which I don't really encourage in other games. Let's just fast travel there. And let's find Agent Ross. Apparently he's retired. Well, he did screw my dad over, so I think payback's a bitch, but I'm gonna shoot him in the head. Whatever he does, I will shoot him in the head. Right, he's here somewhere. Oh, here he is.
Easy now.
I'm gonna put buffalo rifle on, so when I shoot him, I'm gonna blow his brains out. Here it is.
Hey there, mister. How's the hunting?
Pretty good, son. Got me a few rabbits.
Turn it up a bit.
Nope. Still looking for some trophies for Harlan.
I've got a letter here from Edgar Ross. You know him? I heard he was down in these parts for a while.
Wish I'd known he was my brother. Gone down river, duck hunting. Must be a pretty important letter to come all this way.
Yes, sir. Real important. I'll be on my way home as soon as I deliver this message.
You best be off then. Just don't get on his bad side. He's got a filthy temper.
So do I, my son, so do I. Killing my dad, I'm gonna fucking shoot you in the head.
I thought this letter was important.
It is important for me to shoot his fucking head. Where is he? Here we go. It is important for me to shoot his fucking head off. You kill my dad, I'm gonna kill you, fucker. Wait, that's the law. Fuck the law. Here he is, the faggot. I'm gonna get off. Oh, hey, Edgar. You remember me, bitch?
Excuse me. You Edgar Ross?
Yes, he is.
Do I know you? Forgive me for startling you, sir. I have a message for you. My name is Jack Marston. You knew my father.
I see. I remember your father.
I've come for you, Ross.
Yeah.
You, boy, have sure shit found.
You killed my father.
Your father killed himself with the life he lived.
You killed him. I saw you.
You keep saying that.
You sent him to do your dirty work. Then you shot him like a dog.
And I'll shoot you like one too, you little piece of trash.
What?
Now get out of here before I kill you as well.
I ain't going nowhere, old man.
Oh, here we go. Come on, Edgar. Let's see what you got, son. And I bet I'm gonna fucking die in the first try. I always die. I've always been shit. It's fucking draw shit. Ooh. Should I disarm him? Well, shoot, fat faggot. Yeah, motherfucker. You shoot my dad, I'll shoot you. Yeah. Now I'm happy. But not really, but there you go. Actually, I am fucking happy. Come on, trophy time. I'll come for you, Ross. Yeehaw! There we go. Come on, say bling! Alright, so the game's done. Remember my family complete. Let's loot him anyway, see what he's got. And nurture to nature trophy. Bing! We had a bit of money on him. Wait, bolt action rifle, buffalo rifle. You faggot, you shot my dad. I shoot you. Payback's a bitch. Fucker, shoot my dad. I'm gonna fucking blow you up. Make sure you're fucking dead. Make sure you fucking died, you fucking faggot. Go in the water and drown. Here we go, we got you now. We got you now. Let's shoot your fucking hat. Where's the evidence? Here we go. So there you go, that's your trophy. And that's how you get it. So don't fuck with Jack Marston. He's a bad dude. Alright, there's your guide. That's how you get it. Dirt easy. It take about 2 minutes for you to get the trophy anyway, so you might as well just do it. Camp. Not in other games, just camp, improve campsite so you can fast travel. Go and get him, find his wife, then find his brother, find him, shoot the fucker, and there you go, your trophy is ready for you. Hope it helps, I'll see you later.